Hi guys, this is a video you have been waiting for a long time. This video is gonna explain to you what exactly is a triniPino. It's on my shirt right there. triniPino, the middle part. Yeah, it has two parts. The red is the trini and the white is the pino. Yeah, triniPino. What exactly is triniPino? triniPino is a combination. Yeah, it's a combination of two countries. The two countries is Trinidad and Tobago and Philippines. That is the two countries. Trini is short for Trinidadian, and in Philippines sometimes we say Pinoy for Filipinos, but this Pino has no Y. It has no Y because the name was made in a Spanish way. Besides that, triniPino is a term that has been used for a while. It's not known by many, but it's been used by the people that it is related to. So it's related to people who have relations between those two countries, Trinidad and Philippines. In the strictest sense of the word, a triniPino would be the child of a Trinidadian and a Filipino citizen. So if a child is born from parents from both countries, you can call the child a triniPino, whether it's the mother or father is the Trinidadian and the mother or father is the Filipino citizen. Okay, in the strictest sense of the word, that is what a pure triniPino will be. But there are few people that have parentage from these two countries. So in a more general sense, the term triniPino has been used for people who have strong relations with both countries. In my case, I have residency in both countries. Okay, so it can be someone who lives several years in both countries and they are familiar with the cultures of both countries. They practice some of the culture from the two countries. The country Trinidad and Tobago, which is in the West Indies, in the Western Hemisphere, and Philippines, which is in the eastern part of the world. The Philippines is part of a region called the East Indies, actually. So there you have it. You have a sense of triniPino. Now, some people might wonder why the name is not reversed. I think why the Filipino part is not put in front of the Trinidadian part. How do you decide if it's Pili Trini instead, or Pinoy Trini, something like that? I think it's simply because it sounds nicer with the vowels, the I's and the O's, to put the Trini in front of the Pino. But it doesn't matter which country the person is related to first. The term triniPino, it's used for the Filipino citizens who are living in Trinidad and working in Trinidad and Tobago. It can be used for Trinidadians who are living in Philippines like myself. Yeah. So triniPino, you get the flavors of the two countries there, and that's what it is about basically. So I hope you understood something about triniPino today. I hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Anybody who is curious about the term triniPino, who may have never heard it before, they're gonna get some idea about it. I'm not the first one to use this term. It has been in use for some time before I used it in my channel name and in my brand. If you check out the other channel, Trending Glenn there, Trending Glenn, he has trinipino food. I even have some missionary friends who were living in Trinidad and Tobago for 3 years, Mabel and Lester, and they are Filipino citizens, but they were assigned in Trinidad for about 3 years, and they used to refer to themselves even as triniPino. Yeah, so it's a term that has been in use for a while. And there's a triniPino community. You can find them on the Facebook, and also the Trending Glen channel. Yeah, the food is called triniPino, right? So you can also check out that channel and subscribe there. Really nice guys there. So basically, triniPino is something like this. You see it there? And then, like that. So, it can be like this, or it can be like this. So, we have the two countries there. Alright, the relations between the two countries, the merging of the two cultures. Yeah. So guys, I hope you will subscribe after you watch this video. Please subscribe for similar videos with interesting content like this one.